I got summer on my mind, nowhere else to Lord, take me downtown to you. People show me love, but I can't take it. What I said was true, real pain can't fake it. Still they wanna be with me, still they wanna live with me, still they wanna feel like me, still I can't believe it's me. Time you spend with me, I spend mine on being free. On a flight to NYC, I see you and you see me. I wonder why you want to lie when you see me cry, when you see me shy, when you see me high, when you see me die. Where we from, you don't know. You will know where we will go. Yeah, I'm here, where are you? There's nothing we can do. We up in here with one thing on mind, let's leave with something. Then we play still train highway all day. In beats by Dre, then we go and get buzzed, get drunk, get crunk, get fucked up.
But I think it's like fucking. Oh, actually, I think that might be gin and soda.
There's good ones from Audi, White Sands,
Oh yeah,
hard seltzers.
decent.
Yeah, the berry flavour is
Ooh.
very good.
A
Mint.
low calorie drink too, eh?
Oh, perfect. G'day guys, how's everyone going? Well, we've got some time off over Christmas, so today just headed down to Preston Beach for a bit of a four-wheel drive. Hope everyone had a really good Christmas and a happy New Year. I hope you liked the footage that we just did in the intro. There were some awesome shots that we got there. As you'll see, just been down to Preston yesterday to have a bit of a play around. It was actually the first time that I've actually been off-roading since I got the car tuned, so although it was just some light sand beach work, it was still a useful day, good relaxing day as well, and yeah, the car obviously performed as expected. Not real hard work or anything like that for the car, but definitely tune has definitely improved the off-roading capabilities of the vehicles.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's boggy there. I think you might have to punch it a bit.
That's alright, that's alright. Just dip
That
bounce.
worked out alright for you. And stop. Shaking the baby there. Oh. I was only just saying that.
Especially with the gear changes and all that sort of stuff as well. So that's been a marked, noticeable improvement. And obviously, probably the most beneficial aspect of that as well was, again, the fuel economy was really good. So did a roundabout, round trip was just over 300 k's, so it's about 120 k's there and 120 k's back. And yeah, average fuel economy for the complete trip, we averaged out at 9.1 litres per 100, and that's of course with probably around about 40 or 45 k's of sandy or off-road driving. So pretty happy with that. That's improvement over previous trips off road, although there wasn't too many steep gradient hills or anything like that, or big dunes that I tackled this time around. So that probably made a little bit of a difference. But yeah, nevertheless, it was definitely a good day overall. No problems, no issues with the car as normal. Suspension performed as I'd expect. One thing I will say though is I do normally have the staunching tyre deflators. However, something's happened and they went missing, so I couldn't find them. Always keep them in the car with you. That's my number one hot tip. But anyway, I had to resort to using my quickie tyre deflator. Just don't rate them. I don't find them very useful at all. Just having to air down one tyre at a time was a pain in the arse. Had a couple of times when I thought I'd had the valve all the way out, it would just all of a sudden just stop taking air, and I'd have to readjust it again on a couple of occasions. So yep, went down already this morning and got myself a new set. So yeah, I can't highly recommend, in keeping with if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And they're certainly something that I've used for 10 plus years without issues. So I've definitely noticed how much of a help they are, and how much of a hindrance the quickie system is. So if you're looking for tyre deflators, I'd highly recommend just sticking with the Storm tyre deflators. They're a proven product and they work as advertised, so you got no issues. That's the other thing that you would have seen at the start of the video as well is obviously all of the cool drone footage that we got. My friend Pete was filming a majority of those. I also had my drone as well, but unfortunately I had a bit of an accident. Hi mate, how's it going? Well, after all that cool footage, unfortunately, I've done some damage to the drone, so we're off to get it fixed. That's where I've just come from right now, is dropping the drone off to get fixed because I've broken an arm. And yeah, hopefully this year is going to be a little bit more consistent with a few more videos. Obviously in my professional life with my business and caravan business, we obviously have significantly upgraded and grown the business over the last 18 months, and so we've expanded the operations, and I've gone to a new facility that's nearly triple the size. So we've had a lot of new staff start with us, and we just moved to a new factory in December. So that's taken up a lot of resource and my time and effort. So that's why you haven't seen too much from me in terms of YouTube and content and all that sort of stuff, because I just like everyone's classical excuse, I didn't have time. So hopefully this year, just about to finish studies as well, and in about 3 weeks time I've got the arrival of my first son, so that's quite exciting as well. So if there's any dads out there that can give me some last minute advice before the new boy's in town, please let me know. But yeah, like I said, hopefully this year will be a little bit better and I'll have a little bit more time on my hands to dedicate to making videos, because I do enjoy making content and videos. It's a bit of a hobby, so hopefully this year will be a lot smoother sailing and I can bring you some more content. But that's all I've got really for now. So just about to sit down and get the last of my studies done for the new year, and then hopefully tick that box off and crack on for a great 2023. So I'll see you on the next video. Have fun.